Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clone WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So of course, before you can clone it, you need to have the app installed on your device first. If you don't have WhatsApp yet, then you can, for instance, open the Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. There we go. Of course, this is the app that we want to download. And once you have it installed, then you can go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down to find advanced features and then go there. And over here, if you scroll down, you will find Dual Messenger. You can open it, and here you should have WhatsApp over here. You can press on the slider in order to create a second copy of this app. So let's press install, confirm, and we can also use separate contacts list. So if you want to, you can of course enable this option, and then you can select contacts that you want to have separated. And there we go. Now we are turning on the Dual Messenger feature, and second copy of WhatsApp has been installed. So this will be the icon of the copied WhatsApp. So if you go back and open the app drawer, you will find WhatsApp, cloned WhatsApp over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.